Explore your knowledge with the Botnica.
Hello friends, so our new topic is synthetic biology approaches to plant microbe interactions. So if we see this topic, then there is a two main term we will have to know that is synthetic biology and plant microbe interaction. So firstly, we will see what is the meaning of plant microbe interaction. So, plant microbe interaction are the complex and the dynamic and have been occurring since plants first colonized Earth. They can be beneficial or harmful to plants and are important for food production and health management. So, friends, there are many types of microbes are present in the soil. They shows association with the plants or they make the colonies by integrating with the plants. So these microbes are useful or harmful for the plant growth and development. So these are about plant microbe interactions. There are two types of interaction as we seen, beneficial interactions and harmful interactions. So firstly, we will see that what is the beneficial interactions of plant and microbes. So first beneficial interaction is nutrient transfer. So the mycorrhizal fungi and rhizobia provide plant with nutrient like minerals, nutrients and fix the nitrogen. So these mycorrhiza and mycorrhizal fungi and rhizobia, these are two types of the microbes which help the plant in a nitrogen fixation and also provide the nutrients to the plant for their growth. So this function or this role played by these two microorganisms are beneficial for the plant growth, or these interactions are beneficial for the plant growth. Second is inner growth stimulation. Phytohormones produced by microbes can directly stimulate plant growth. There are some microbes present in the soil which produce phytohormones which are directly stimulate the growth of the plant. So these interactions are beneficial for the plant. Third one is stress mitigation. So what is the stress mitigation? Microbes can help the plant tolerate environmental stresses. There are what is environmental stresses? There are two types of the stresses. It is biotic or abiotic stresses, such as temperature, wind, and water. These are the stresses. UV rays, these are the stresses. Some microbes can help to the plant to tolerate or uh, to face these environmental stresses. These are beneficial interactions. These three are the beneficial interaction in between plant and microbes. So next is harmful interaction. Pathogenic microbes can be detrimental to plant. For example, saprophytic microbes can cause necrotrophy in colonizing plant. Plant microbe interaction can be categorized as mutualistic, neutral, or harmful. Harmful interaction also categorized in three types, that is mutualistic, neutral, or harmful. What is a mutualistic? Mutualistic, both the plant and the microbe benefit from the interaction. So in this mutualistic interaction, both the plant and microbes are get benefit from each other. So next is the neutral interaction. In neutral interaction, only one partner benefits from the interaction. It may be microbes take benefits from the plants, or the plants which take the benefits from the microbes. Third is harmful interaction. The interaction is detrimental to the plant. These interactions are detrimental to the plant or harmful for the plant. The as we see that the saprophytic microbes can cause the necrotrophy in the colonizing plant. These are the harmful interactions. These are the three types of harmful interactions. So as we see, our topic get categorized in two main headings, that is synthetic biology and plant microbe interaction. We done plant microbe interaction. Now we see the synthetic biology. What is the synthetic biology? Is a field of science that involves redesigning the organism for useful purposes by engineering them to have a new abilities. Suppose to be there is a particular organism or particular microbes. So we redesign these microbes through genetically, through changing their genetic sequences, or make it useful for the plants. So these all the study which undergoes in the heading of synthetic biology. Synthetic biology make the some changes or redesign particular organism or microbe uh, for the useful purposes, or engineering them to have the new ability or develop the new ability in these microbes or this organism by alternating their gene sequences. This all about synthetic biology. Next is synthetic biology approaches to the plant microbe interactions. Now we gather these two subpoints in one heading, that is synthetic biology approaches uh, to plant microbe interaction. So first approach is bottom up approach. What is bottom up approach? Is that isolating microbes associated with a plant, genetically engineering them and then reintroducing them to the plant. In the bottom up approach, uh, simply uh, simply we isolate particular microbes or the group of the microbes, and we engineered them and develop some beneficial characters in them, or redesigning them, uh, redesigning them. It redesigning are beneficial for the plant, or this after the redesigning of this microbes, these microbes are beneficial for the plant. These are bottom up approach. Next is top down approach. Using horizontal gene transfer to introduce desired traits into a broad range of host tissues. Now in this we using the horizontal gene for what? To transfer, to introduce desired traits. We using the horizontal gene to introduce the desired trait or desired character into a broad range of hosts, into the particular host. Consider if there is a microbe, we isolate their horizontal gene, and we introduce the desirable trait or desirable character which is beneficial for the plant. We introduce in a horizontal gene, and then this microbe uh, we put it on a, or we inserted this microbe in a host. Then these microbes are useful for the plant. Next is metabolic modeling. What is metabolic modeling? Using mathematical representation of a metabolic reaction to predict physiological response under the different environmental conditions. In this reading, in metabolic modeling, we use mathematical representation for what? For the to representing the metabolic reaction, for to predict the physiological response under the different environment. In this, if we take the example, consider the plant in particular environment. Okay, now we making the map, or we making the mathematical representation how this plant react to particular to particular reaction physiologically, or their physiological response to any environmental condition. uh, we making the mathematical representation of these reactions. These are called as metabolic modeling. Next is microbial production of plant derived product. Using microbial cell to produce P and P on demand in a scalable and controlled manner and at high purity or yield than the native plant host, using microbial cell for what? To produce PNP on a demand. PNP means production of plant derived product in a scalable and controlled manner. In a scalable or in a measurable or in a controlled manner and higher purity or yield than the native plant host. So next approach is engineering microbial network. What is engineering microbial network? Rewriting the microbial networks so that microbes can function as therapeutic agents. For example, microbes can be reprogrammed to produce therapeutic molecule in response to the disturbed physiological state of the host. Supposed to be, if you take the particular plant in which physiological state are disturbed, then we take a particular microbes which is and make redesign their genetics to fix the physiological state of this plant, and then by making redesigning this microbe genetically we introduce in a particular plant, then this microbes can fix the physiological state of this host plant. These are engineering microbial network approach. Next approach is engineering microbial consortia. So what is this? It is a engineering organisms in a microbial consortium to engage in a syntropic exchanges where the resources produced by one organism are used by the other. So engineering organisms in a microbial consortium to engage in a syntropic exchanges where the resources produced by one organism are used by other. In a microbial consortium, when particular microbials are produced the particular products, these are used by other microbes. So to improve their sharing, these are called as engineering microbial consortia. So the topic of approaches of synthetic biology in plant microbe interactions are over. Thank you.